My name is Richard Alabanza. I'm the president and CEO of Temporary Lab Services. The reason that I enrolled in the 3-day training was to help increase our bottom line as a small business owner. Why can't we be the ones to help grow our business through those federal contracts?
My name is David Hall. My company is DRH Design Group, Inc. As far as delivery and the promises made, I believe that they were very much met. What we received was more than I thought we would receive when we originally signed up for the course. I think that the caliber of the instructors was high. Every one of them had experience in this area. They were either contracting officers in their previous life or they are current contracting officers. There was one instructor in particular that impressed me. Her name was Vanessa Braxton. She was very helpful, and she actually does contracting on her own with her own business, and her life experiences with that and also her contracting officer experiences were very much informative to me.
I felt the staff not only met my expectations but exceeded them. The reason being, as a small business owner, you're always looking for a way to get your foot in the door. And when you can sit there and pick the brain of end users that know exactly what everyone's going through and know exactly what they're looking for, it helps tailor what you need to do to kind of get into that federal marketing arena. It was knowledge. And really for me, and what I've kind of found in running this company, is that knowledge really is the key here. The more you know, the better you're going to be.
There's an opportunity during the seminar that one of the instructors will work one-on-one with you and actually go on the internet with you and show you how to search. While we were at the seminar, we were introduced to a contracting officer out of the Bureau of Land Management for a survey project, which we put a proposal in on. The seminar covered a lot of different kinds of businesses, but the one-on-ones focused on your business, on my business. It was very helpful to me because it was more personal and I could relate directly to what the one-on-ones taught me.
When the instructors went through the OSDBU sites and the forecasting, there was actually a projection for a phlebotomist, which is exactly what we provided. And it was very interesting to see everyone's reaction saying, and some folks said, well, what is a phlebotomist? And Ted was like, well, we have a guy that does that right here. So it was very interesting to see because you also got to see who the end user was, and it was in action. And that's really what I think is a lot of small businesses, and especially owners, when they go to something like this, want to see. They want to see their industry represented in there, and it was very nice to see that.